Today we are going to solve another question from 2017 P2 October-November variant is 2-1 and the question is regarding rate. The question number is 9. The statement goes, a pump takes 12 minutes to add 3000 liters of water to a pond. How long will it take the same pump to add 1750 liters of water to a pond? The pump is same, whereas number of liters have changed. Now if 3000 liters are pumped in 12 minutes as given in the question, 3000 liter will take 12 minutes, so 1 liter will take 12 divided by 3000. The 3000 will be moving on the right side and it will divide 12. And for 1750 liters, the time will be 12 over 3000, this fraction multiplied by 1750. So upon simplification, you will get your answer as 7 minutes. You can simplify it, 0 goes with 0, and then you can do further simplification. 2 150 times 300, 2 6 times 12, then 5 3 times 15, 5 3 times 15, and 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. Now 6 goes with 6. The answer is 7. Part B. A tank holds 25,000 liters of oil and a small pump can add oil to the tank at a rate of X liters per minute. This is the rate, and that rate is for a small pump that will add oil to the tank, whereas tank has the capacity of 2500 liters. Now a large pump, there is another pump which is large, can add oil to the tank at a rate of X plus 20 liters per minute. So we have a different rate for large pump and a different rate for a small pump, and the total capacity is 2500 liters. The question is, write down an expression in terms of X for the number of minutes the small pump takes to fill the empty tank. We have to find expression for time for small pump. Now as the formula for rate of flow is volume per unit time, that is volume divided by time is rate of flow. So rate of flow is volume over minute or time, where rate for small pump is X is equal to volume of tank is 2500, and we don't know the time that is to be obtained here. You can move t time over here and x over there, so time is equal to 25 over x minutes. Expression in terms of x for time of small pump. Part number 2. It takes 15 minutes longer to fill the empty tank using the small pump. Mean if you are using a small pump, it will take longer time. And how much longer? That is 15 minutes more as compared to the large pump. Now you have to develop an expression, an equation that is reduced to this form. This is given. Form an equation that should be reduced to this form. Okay, if I'm not wrong, you have to form an equation in X and you have to simplify it in this form. So what is basically the expression, or what is the situation right now? As small pump takes more time as compared to large pump, and small pump takes 15 minutes more as compared to large pump. So time for small pump will be more as compared to time for large pump, and the difference of their timings will be 15 minutes as given in the question. So T small means time for small pump minus time taken by the large pump. The difference is 15 minutes, and time for small pump is 2500 over X. So that is volume divided by rate. From here, time for small pump, volume over rate. The rate for small pump is X. Whereas time for large pump is volume of the tank, that is 25, divided by rate for large pump, and rate for large pump is x plus 20 using this equation. Rate is volume over time, so time is volume over rate. Time will come over here, rate will go over there. So time is volume over rate, time is volume over rate. Volume is 2500, rate is x plus 20. You can see over here is equal to 15. Now you can simplify this equation. Take LCM, x and x plus 20 will be your LCM. X plus 20 will be multiplied with 2500, x will be multiplied with 2500. 2500 into x is 2500 x, 25 into 20 is 50,000 minus 2500 x is equal to 15, whereas in the denominator x into x is x square and x into 20 is 20x. Cancel 2500 and minus 2500 and then move this denominator on the right side where this denominator will be multiplied with 15 as above. So 5000, which is in the numerator now, after cancellation of 2500x and minus 2500x, you are left with 50,000. No, this is 50,000. So do a correction over here. Okay. So 50,000 is equal to 15 into x square plus 20x. 15 into x square, 15x square, 15 into 20x is 300x. Rearrange this equation in standard form, a quadratic equation. That is 15x square plus 300x. Move 50,000 on the right side, it will be minus 50,000 upon moving on the right side. Now you can divide this equation by 5. 5 3 times 15, 5 60 times 300, and 5 10,000 times 50,000. This is your required equation. As you can see, the next part says solve this equation, and you can solve it using quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a, b, c are: a is 3, the coefficient of x square; b is 60, the coefficient of x; and c is minus 10,000, the constant. Use your values of b, a and c in this formula. So 60 in place of b, 60 in place of b, a is replaced by 3, c is replaced by minus 10,000 divided by 2 into a is replaced by 3. Now that gives you under root 1, 2, 3, 600 plus minus 60 over 6. Now that will give you minus 60 plus minus, when you will take square root of 1, 2, 3, 600, you will get 351.6 over 6. Now you can do it first of all by doing addition of 351.6 plus, and then you are going to subtract it, once with the plus sign, once with the minus sign, and you will get two answers. One is 48.59, second is minus 68.6. Ignore the negative one. The positive one, what is it? This is x, and x is what? X is rate, liters per minute for small pump. In part 4, they have asked you to find the time taken by the large pump. Time taken by the large pump is 2500 over x plus 20. Time taken by the large pump 2500 over x plus 20, where x is 48.59. Use x 48.59 plus 20 will give you 36.5 minutes, that is 36 minutes and 30 seconds. That's the solution. Subscribe the channel so that you can get updates on further solutions of the papers. Thank you.